Yes, children, let me share my screen. We'll go with the David. Yes. Come on, join the class, ma. Join the class. Yeah. See the B question.
Ma'am, once can you show the A question?
A bit. Okay. Good.
Ma'am,
It is 5.
Ma'am,
It is 5.
ma'am, write on the whiteboard.
We are taking as sorry, I did mistake. A bit. It is 5,000 gray bags, but we are taking as 4,000 gray bags.
4,000. Yes, ma'am. I got that doubt, so I asked you to show A bit.
Okay, then please take as a 4,000. Nana. Question if you change as a 4,000. You can try for 5,000.
Ma'am, actually, if you try for 5,000, we'll get a loss of 1,000.
Exactly. Why? Because this is 25,000. That is 24,000. Loss as 1,000 rupees. Correct, Nana. Correct,
Ma'am,
I did right, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
why
I
a
did
lot
right,
of disturbance today to the class? I don't know. Any problem, Nana?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, so now can I tell the answer for the second one?
1 minute, Raga.
Ma'am, can I? It's 40,000.
Who is this?
Ma'am, 40,000 bags, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's 4,000 bags.
Ma'am, it is 40,000 bags.
Who's correct?
Answer.
Yes. Let me do on the screen, Nana. Ahna, please read the question. No, wait a minute, ma. Nikhil, please read the B bit, ma. Nikhil.
Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil, read the B bit.
What is the
Ma'am,
number
it is
of
4,000, ma'am. Ma'am, it is 4,000, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's 4,000 only.
Okay.
Took extra key, ma'am.
Let me do on the screen, children. Don't interrupt. Please wait.
Ma'am, it is 4,000.
Yes, correct. Yes, Nikhil, please read the B bit, Nikhil.
What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? The number of grey bags sold is 6,400.
Very good. Neither profit nor loss. The question you see, children, neither profit nor loss. That means what is the meaning? Neither profit nor loss means?
Ma'am, in medium, ma'am, no profit and no loss also, ma'am. No loss and no profit, ma'am.
Yeah. So we know that suppose if gray bags you have to take, let gray bags be, no, already gray bags is given. Given how many gray bags, children?
Ma'am, 6,400.
Given what is given, you have to write, Nana. Given the number of gray bags sold is, number of gray bags is 6,400. 6,400. Now we don't know number of white cement bags. We don't know. We're supposed to find out. Number of white cement bags is question mark. Number of white cement bags is question mark. So here one statement is given. What is the statement? Neither loss nor profit. Neither loss nor profit. Suppose let white cement bags be X. Let white cement bags be X. Now you see, children, X bag, suppose white cement, and what is the profit you are getting for 8 cement? What is the profit? 8 rupees.
Ma'am, 8 rupees.
Coming to gray cement bags are 6,400 and it is getting a loss as -5, which is equal to neither loss nor profit, means it is
0, ma'am.
0. Why I am equating 0 means neither profit nor loss. Profit ledu, loss ledu. So it is 0. Therefore, we are supposed to take as 8x, children. Yes, 8x is equal to 8x minus 64 5s are. 64 5s are how much?
And 3,20,000.
Ma'am, 32,000.
Ma'am, 32,000.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am. 32,000.
Yes, ma'am.
1000 is equal to 0. We know that if you transpose to other side, minus become plus 8x is equal to 32,000. You have to find out the value of x here. 32,000 divided by
Ma'am, 32,000.
8 ones are
Ma'am, 4,000.
8 fours are 42.
Ma'am,
That
8 fours are
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
Which bags? White cement bags.
Ma'am, actually, before it says like the answer we got was like the
Ma'am,
same.
Exactly, Harini. Correct. Correct, Nana. Raghav and Srishti, what you gave correct answer. Good. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And now,
Ma'am, I took extra 0, ma'am.
what, ma'am?
Ma'am, I don't understand this.
Okay, Vallabha. Vallabha, please listen. Listen.
Ma'am, I took 6,000.
Children, Srishti, wait some time. There are few students need a little more support. Please wait some time. Don't interrupt. Vallabha, please read the question. Be it.
What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of gray bags sold is 6,400 bags?
Yeah. What is the meaning of neither profit nor loss means? What is the meaning for neither profit nor loss?
Not profit and not loss.
No profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Good. And here, conditions. What are the conditions given? Gray cement bags were sold as 6,400 bags. It is given in your textbook question only. Number of gray bags sold is equal to 6,400. Number
Ma'am,
of
your
white
laptop now very less charging, ma'am.
Nana, Jay?
Ma'am, means your laptop are very less charging.
My laptop? Okay, okay. Just a minute. Sorry. Okay. Thank you, Jay. I didn't.
Ma'am, actually, we have 15 minutes left.
Okay. There is no profit, no loss means we are going to take as equating 0. So what we are equating 0? Whatever the bags sold. So there are white cement bags. We don't know the question mark. I said already for you students. We don't know white cement. Okay, just a minute. Let me help for Vallabha also. Vallabha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we don't know white cement. White cement bags, we don't know question mark into on each white cement bag he is getting profit as ₹8. It is given in your question only. Then how many gray cement bags? 6,400 gray cement bags. But loss, here he is occurring loss. How many for each bag he is getting? Loss as ₹5. That's why I'm taking as -5. Try to understand. Till here you understand? Vallabha.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is no profit, no loss means what we should take? We should take as no profit, no loss, 0. Now you have to find out the unknown thing here. Unknown thing you have to take as 8x. You just multiply these two. So negative number multiplied with positive number, you are getting as a negative result. So 6,400 multiplied with 5. How to multiply 6,400 multiplied with 5 means 5 zeros are first you have to 5 zeros are, then 5 zeros,
0.
5 fours are
5 4 are 8.
20,
20.
6 fives are,
6
or 5
5
sixes are
30. 30 plus 2, 32.
5 6 are
32,000.
32. But the sign is here 32,000. 32,000 which is equal to 0. You want only x value. So you just rest of the part, numerical part,
8x
you just
equals
transpose to
to
other side.
32,000.
It becomes 32,000. So you want only x value.
Whenever you change the position, the opposite sign comes in place.
Yes, opposite. Here it is multiplied. If you send to other side, it should be come under division. So 8 ones are 8 fours are 32. 4,000 bags. White bags is nothing but 4,000. Therefore, number of white bags sold to get neither profit nor loss means it's a 4,000 white bags he should sold and 6,400 gray bags he should sold. Then only there is no profit, there is no
But I
loss.
can say always.
Yes, Vallabha?
Okay, ma'am, I understood.
Good, good. Now please read the 9th bit, Vallabha.
Ma'am, like this, replace the blank with the integer to make it a true statement.
Yes. You need to make as a true statement. We don't know the one is a blank is given. This blank
Ma'am, we
is this is blank.
subtract 3 and 27.
3.
Minus 3 and 27.
Ma'am, it's minus 9.
Ma'am, minus 3 into minus 9 is equal to 27.
7.
Is it correct, Vallabha? Is it correct, Vallabha? Minus 9.
Ma'am, we will all chat the answers.
Vallabha, minus 3 multiplied with what number gives 27? Positive 27. Is it minus 9 correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Yes. Okay. Right, right. Raghav, correct, Raghav. All are correct. Yes, B bit. B bit. You just see the B bit.
Ma'am, plus 7. Ma'am, it is
Just put a chart for me, ma.
3, ma'am.
Don't shout.
Ma'am, 7.
Now
Minus
find-
7.
Ma'am, minus 7, ma'am.
Yes, correct.
Minus 7, ma'am.
7 5s are 35, but minus is there in your result, so it is minus 7. Coming to C bit, there is a result is negative. That's why already negative number.
Positive 4, ma'am.
Yes, 8 4. How much more?
No, not 4.
7 8 are.
Minus 7.
7 8 are.
It's not
7, 8,
7, 8.
Is it correct, children? 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now coming to last bit, you need tables, children. If you want
Minus level.
minus 11, very good. Minus 11. See, children, in all the cases, what you are doing division, children, to find the unknown number. 27 divided by minus 3. You will get the other number. 27 divided by second bit minus 35 divided by 5. You are getting the number, unknown number. In third bit minus 56 divided by minus 8. You are getting the unknown number. You check like that also. How it is getting, children? A bit.
Ma'am, and the D question, like, it's hard to multiply it, but then, like, if you observe on both the sides, like,
Yes.
the number
Exactly.
is
Exactly.
there, and if you add both of them, it gives the middle number, which means it's 11.
Exactly,
with 11.
Harini. Good. Good, Harini. Next one, minus 56 divided by minus 8. And if you do this, you are getting the unknown number. You know factors. These are the factors for 27. If you want to find other factors, you should divide with the total, whatever the product divided by the other given number. You will get the other product. These are application sums on multiplication part. Coming to division part, before going to division, you see here there is a class test again. 6th bit. Come on, children. Who will read the Ahna? Please read the 6th question, Ahna.
In a class test, positive 3 marks are given for every correct answer and negative 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any question. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she got 12 correct answers, how many questions did incorrectly?
Yes, second bit.
Ma'am,
What
should I
about?
read the second one too?
Yes, first bit.
Mohini scores negative 5 marks.
Yes, correct. Come on, continue.
in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers, how many questions has she attended
Yes, maybe.
incorrectly?
Okay. And I want answer. Jait, please. What is the first question, Jait? What are the conditions given here, Jait? Jait, are you there in the Mahavir? Mahavir, what are the conditions given in our question?
Ma'am, for Radhika, like she scored 20 marks and she got 12 correct answers. So we need to like 12 into 3 is equals to 36. And ma'am, 36 minus 20 is equals to 16. And 16, ma'am, and 16 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 8. Ma'am, so she got 8 incorrect answers, 12 correct answers.
Very good. Very good. Good. Where is Nikhil? Nikhil, are you there? Sahib? Nikhil and Sahib, please respond, children. Harini, please read the B bit. Harini. Harini?
Yes.
Ma'am, Nikhil, did you call me?
Yeah, Nikhil. Okay. Please respond.
Ma'am, should I read the second question, ma'am?
Yes, you have to supposed to read the second one. How you are getting the answers? Mahavir said for first, but I am not sure how many are you are getting the point. But anyway, I'll help you. Come on, read the second one.
Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attended incorrectly?
Okay. So see, children, the question, what are the conditions given means you're supposed to write the conditions first, children. What are the conditions given in a class test? Correct answer, correct, incorrect, not attempted, not attempted. For every correct answers, plus 3. For every incorrect answers, incorrect
Ma'am,
means
-2.
minus 2, not attempted means
Ma'am, 0.
0. Now, this is the conditions given. And Radhika is a girl, scored 20 marks. Radhika has scored 20 marks. 20 marks. But according to the question, see, a score is given. If she got 12 correct answers, how many correct answers? 12 correct answers. 12 correct answers for Radhika. This is for Radhika.
Ma'am, it's total 20 marks.
Yeah.
And if she has got 12 correct answers, then 20 minus 12.
We don't know about incorrect answers.
Yes, ma'am. We don't know if she has done incorrect or she has not attempted.
Yes,
We don't
incorrect
know.
we don't know. But every incorrect answer she scored -2. Total together
Yes.
she scores 20 marks. Now you have to check, children. 12 threes are
12 3
Ma'am, 8. 12 3s are
36, ma'am.
now this
36.
unknown thing you take as x minus
Ma'am, X.
equal to 20.
X.
So 36 minus 20 is equal to, if you minus 20, if you send other side, you are getting positive 2x. It's 16 is equal to 2x. X is equal
Ma'am,
to
it's 8.
1, 2. X.
X is equals to 8.
So number of incorrect answers, how many she score?
Ma'am, 8. 8 incorrect.
Ma'am, 8.
So
Ma'am,
if
8 into -2.
yes, if you count it, you have to recheck also. 8 into -2 minus 16. Total 36 she scored for angle.
Ma'am, and then you have to add minus 16 plus 12. Ma'am, then you have to check how many she has not answered.
Exactly. Correct. Correct answers,
6 plus 12 gives 2, ma'am. So she has not answered 2 questions.
yeah, 8 questions incorrectly. She Answer. She incorrectly answered how many number of questions incorrectly? 8 questions. Please, someone is unmuting their mic. Please try to mute yourself.
Ma'am, it was
Please. Lot of disturbance. Who is this Vallabha?
Vallabha, your mic.
Try to understand, and a lot of disturbance in the classroom. Okay. Now coming to the second bit, Mohini scores minus. Total how many score? Mohini's score is given about Radhika over. Now other girl, Mohini's total score is -5, Nana. And what are the conditions given? Though she got
Ma'am, she has
7
got-
correct answers. 7 correct means for every correct answer.
Ma'am, 7 into 3, ma'am.
7 into
21.
Yeah, then how many incorrect? For every incorrect means
Ma'am,
x into
x.
ma'am.
X into 5, ma'am. Minus 5x.
yeah, it's nothing but 21 minus 2x is equal to -5. Now you have to write, children, 21 minus 5. If you, this side it will come in 6 plus 5 minus 2x
And 13.
plus 2x. Now
Answer is
20, yes, x is equal to 26 by 12, that is equal to x. Therefore 2 1s are 2 13s are. How many incorrect she answered, Nana?
Ma'am, 13.
13.
Ma'am, 13.
Yes.
Ma'am, 13 into -2.
Yes, 13 into -2, it's -26. -26 plus 21 together, she scores -5. Very correct, Nana. You can recheck also. Yes, this is the question. Homework for you, 7th bit, children. Please try to solve the 7th bit. An elevator descends into your mind. Come on, please. 7th bit.
Ma'am, is there any other bit like A or B after this? Or is this the only question?
Harini?
Ma'am, because I have to take a screenshot because I don't have this book.
Okay. Right, Harini.
Ma'am, you said this in group, ma'am. It is given in Google Classroom if you check.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or else you find the PDF of NCERT in your Google also, children. You can download and keep in your desktop. Whenever we want, we can check the questions. And not only from NCERT, I'm going to give few more bits. Today I'll give more bits for your practice, children, in the WhatsApp group, or else classroom I will give. I will try to give on classroom. You all have classrooms, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I think a few students only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will post as well as classroom and WhatsApp group, both I will post. Please practice the sums, children. Any doubt?
Ma'am, PDF.
Any
Ma'am,
doubt?
where is the PDF?
Ma'am,
Where can we get?
Please, one can speak.
Ma'am, where we can get PDF?
In Google. Google.
In Google, you can find it.
Free download. You can freely download and keep in your desktop, children. All the NCERT books you're supposed to, because the content is very clear in that. Different varieties of questions are available for you. Okay, children, any doubt in today's session?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Then today I will stop, children. I will give some questions for your practice. Probably today or tomorrow I'll give. And you just please solve the sums and come with answers on the next class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Bye.
Okay,
Take care.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you share the link to the PDF of the textbook?
Okay. Raghav, are you there, Nana?
Excuse me. Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Raghav, please share the PDF part in the group, Nana.
Yes, ma'am, I'll try to share that.
Yes. Try it, or else I will share. On the screen.
Ma'am, I'll try, ma'am. I'll try.
Try, or else
And because the PDF is in another device actually, and that device doesn't have WhatsApp.
Okay,
So
just
I'll try and
just a
download
minute.
it.
Mom, I'm trying. Just a minute. I'm trying. Just a minute.
So I actually downloaded it in my Kindle, so it doesn't have water.
Okay. Anyway, it is there in my desktop only. Let me. It's which class, Maya?
I'm 7th.
Okay. Let me.
Once can you show this seventh question?
Okay, nimsham, Mama. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am. PDF you're sharing.
I will share my. It is there with me. I will share. How I supposed to share this?
Ma'am, you can copy that and paste it in
Ma'am,
the
you will
WhatsApp.
get a link, ma'am, to share.
No.
Ma'am, you can copy the entire file and open the WhatsApp web in the desktop and go to the respective group or chat.
Now
And
it
then
is desktop
there you
only.
can paste
Raghav. Now it is there in desktop, right? It is there here now PDF.
Yes, ma'am.
How I should send this to group?
Ma'am, actually, like.
Ma'am, you copy that. Ma'am, you copy that.
Google. Ma'am, if you go to Google, ma'am, if you type WhatsApp web, you will
Yes,
get
ma'am.
a
Ma'am,
QR
they'll
code, ma'am.
first
From
click
your
on the
phone,
first thing and there'll be something
ma'am, on
coming.
your phone, there will be three dots on the right side top, ma'am.
1 minute, please
Ma'am,
check.
on your.
What I'm doing correct or not, please check. I'm doing the same procedure.
Ma'am, we are not able to view your Chrome thing.
Yes,
No, don't wait a while. Just share it. Just share it with you. Just a minute, Nana.
Ma'am, I've shared the file.
Yes, Mahavir,
The
I'm sharing. I'm trying to sharing Mahavir.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Ahana shared it.
Ahana shared?
In the chat, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ahna. Thank you.
Ma'am, I got the answer for the second question. It's 1 hour.
Okay, please try it, and the next class we will see. And many bits are there. I think, let me check how many applications are there. We will see that part.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, children. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day to you all.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes. Bye, children. Bye, children. Take care. If you have any doubts, please put a personal message. I'll help you so that I can, what is children are doing, I can see. Yeah, Ahna already shared that.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Nikhil, any doubt, Nikhil? Today's
Ma'am.
Srishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, ma?
No, ma'am. I was saying bye, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, bye, children. Take care. Bye. All of you, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, Mahavir. Bye.
Good night, ma'am.
Bye, children.